Hello guys and welcome back to another unboxing video here on ZapFeed. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Nuki Smart Lock Pro. This is a smart lock that can be added to most of your existing locks to turn your door opening experience into a smart one, which I'm very excited to see how it works. Now before we do get into this unboxing and before I tell you why it's in this weird pink wrapping, I do have to tell you of course that Nuki did send this product to me for review, but they have not paid me. This is not a sponsored video. This is purely to see what my thoughts and opinions are on this product, and as always they have not told me what to say or have any influence on any of my opinions. Now, why is it in this pink bubble wrap? Now, it's because I wanted to keep it in this because this is how it came, and a lot of products these days do not come in, that great packaging. They don't need to a lot of the time, but I wanted to keep it in this because it's like, well, when I received it, it came really, really well packaged. Of course, it came in a bigger box as well. It didn't just come like this, but I wanted to show you guys how it actually came to my house, and it comes in a very well packaged pink bubble wrap, so good to know. Now, as I mentioned, this is a smart lock that can go over most of your existing smart locks, and when I was sort of configuring the lock that I needed for this review and unboxing, there was a really simple way of actually finding out which lock from Nuki worked with my current door that I'm going to be using it on, with a really smart sort of questionnaire style sort of feature. So that was really useful, and I landed on the Nuki Smart Lock Pro, and it looks really good. I'm excited to see what it's like. I'm excited to see how smart locks really integrate into my life, because as of right now, I use the old-fashioned key. I mean, who does that these days, right? And I think it'll be really interesting to see how I can, maybe go for a sort of keyless lifestyle in the future, where I can only use my phone or can use my phone as my only key. So, I'm really excited about this product. I'm really excited to get it reviewed for you guys. Let's take a look around the box. It reminds me a lot of Apple boxes, very simple design, very clean design, shows the product on the front. It's got Pro on the front, Nuki Smart Lock there as well. Designed by Use, I don't know what that is, but it's made in EU. I believe it comes from Austria, this product, so very excited to see how it goes. Of course, it has an app, like everything does these days, but this is a really useful app, because of course you can lock and unlock the key. On the back, very simple specifics: Nuki Smart Lock Pro with rechargeable lithium-ion battery, 750 milliamp hours, 14.8 volts as well, and I'm excited. Let's get straight into the box and see what the Nuki Smart Lock is going to be looking like. Now, of course, in this video we won't be setting it up or giving you guys my full impressions, because I don't know what it's going to be like, and we don't have enough time in this video to get it all set up, but that will be reserved for the full unboxing, or for the full review video, not in this unboxing. So, couple of nice stickies on the side, which should reveal the box underneath. And again, very similar to an Apple Star box. I know a lot of companies try and do that, but this one is very clean indeed. Let's see, are we still stuck around here? Can't quite tell, but no, we're okay, I think. Yeah, we're good. We just need a little bit of give it a little bit of a wiggle or something to help it get out. We'll get there. And a big thank you to Nuki, of course, for sending this product out to me for review. If I can actually get into it. There it is. There we go. Okay, so now we can actually grab the bottom. And what's going to be revealed? Nuki. Okay. There it is. Nuki. Again, I'm going to keep mentioning Apple experience. You've got this little tab that you can pull up. Oh, and of course the product is there waiting for you. This is fantastic. I love this unboxing experience. It is a delightful. So, first thing you're greeted with is the information pack, I assume. As all products, I suppose, by law have to come with. It seems like every single product we unbox in this channel has some sort of quick start guide, and this one has a very quick start guide via the QR code here. So you get the Nuki app via the QR code, add the Nuki Smart Lock, and follow the installation instructions on the app. From what I've heard on this actual device, it does seem like there's a really simple way of actually getting this set up, and it seems like from other reviewers and other things that I've done in terms of research, it does seem like the setup process, although it's quite a complicated product, you could argue, it is seemingly a very simple way to set it up. So that's going to be really interesting. Of course, you have the user manual here as well, and the quick start guide on there, so that's going to be really useful to do. All this stuff, I'm sure, all these different languages, nobody really cares about in this unboxing. We're caring about the product itself. Now, let's take it out. It's presented very nicely here at the very top, and look at this. Yes, please, look at how clean and slick this looks. I was expecting it to be slightly bigger, I think, and taking up more of the space on the door, but this is fantastic. I'm really surprised at how small this thing is. Of course, it lasts for a long time as well. The battery life is really solid. It only takes around 2 hours to charge, and it lasts for, I believe, around a month or two, potentially longer. I could be wrong with that one, but the design, it's absolutely beautiful. Of course, you have this sort of metal, stainless steel style look. Could be something even nicer than stainless steel, I don't know. But it feels really nice in the hand, of course, with these first impressions. White, little bit of plastic here as well. That's where you charge it up. So it does come with the cable that you can sort of magnetically, wirelessly, I guess, charge with it. Although it is a wire, so it's not wireless, but it's magnetic sort of charging. No contact, I guess you could say. No plugging in required. It has the Nuki logo right there as well. A big button on the front, which can be used to unlock and lock the door. So you don't need, of course, the key. You can just press that button and it unlocks and locks. And you might be wondering, what the heck is the point of a smart lock? And I'm really intrigued to sort of answer that question myself as well. Oh, is that it? Oh, that is the box, is it? Oh, no, no, there is more. And I'm really intrigued to answer that question myself as well. How worth it is it? Do I need one? Is it required? And to be honest, I think it could be a very common thing that's going to be in homes in the future, because it allows you to essentially check the status of your lock. It can be locked or unlocked. You can check it on your phone. I'm someone that gets very paranoid about my locks. I've sometimes driven down the road and then turned around and gone back to my house to check that I've locked the door. In every case I had, but it's like that paranoia of like, oh, is the door locked? You can check it on your phone. I know the app's really smart and it's really capable, so when you actually come up to the door, it automatically unlocks when you're within that geofence. Likewise, when you're outside of the geofence, it locks. So it could just make unlocking and locking your house, which is something that, everyone does on a very regular basis, just that more simple. Now, the cable. We love cables here on ZapFeed. We always talk about cables. A very long one at that, jeepers. Okay, so it looks like we're dealing with potentially I don't know if it's a 2-meter cable. Is it a 2-meter cable? No, surely not, right? Oh, maybe it is. That could be a 2-meter cable, which is absolutely fantastic. As I mentioned before, it has that specific connector on it, which connects onto that just there. Magnetic, really nice solid connection, but also enough to take it off. It's sort of like MagSafe with MacBooks and stuff like that. So yeah, really nice and solid, so you can charge it up whilst it's still on the door and plug this in via USB-C to a wall outlet or something or other, and it will charge itself nice and easily with a 750 milliamp hour battery. But of course, it doesn't get used all the time. It's obviously always connected, but it doesn't necessarily always use the function. So it should last for a good while on that charge. But really nice cable, really nicely braided as well. I always love a braided cable. Connectors on the ends look really good. I suppose the only downside is that if you lose this, then you do have to get another one of these. You can't charge it in any other way. There's no USB-C plug. It has to be this one. So just something to keep in mind. Don't lose that. So I'm going to put it nice and safely over there. Let's take a look at the next section of this. Random bit of card to unravel the next section, which is the sort of installation tools, it seems like, with that icon. We'll put that over there for now. We don't need that. You know what? I always like to display the box so you know what we're reviewing and unboxing, if you haven't guessed already. So let's see what's inside this. Comes in some sort of like paper packaging. And what else do we have in here? So this, we can make it black. Oh, would you look at that? Okay. So this goes, I'm assuming, just on there. And it can just, I assume we have to take the white off first, do we? Does the white have to come off first, potentially? I'm assuming it does. I don't know how to do that, though. Does that have to push in? Yes, it does. Okay, oh wow. All right, so if you want more of a sort of stealthy look in your house, then you can use the black option as well. All right, yeah, I kind of like the black. I don't know, the door is white, so I'll probably end up using the white, but the black looks great. I like the way the black looks, all right? It's a great look. What is inside the rest of this installation box? Tools. Aha, right, so this is what you need to actually install it to the wall or the door. And honestly, that is the installation. It's 2 bits and an Allen key. I suppose it's magnetic, is it? Oh no, it's just stuck to it. That is the installation. And I said it earlier on that it seems like it's really simple based on other, reviews and information about this product. But that's your smart lock. That's it. And that's a good thing. I'm not saying that in a bad thing, because it just seems so easy to set up. Wow, am I missing anything? I've got to be missing something, surely, right? I'm not. That is what you need. Wow. So obviously I don't exactly know how this is going to work. Is there no like, wow, that genuinely, I'm not, am I going crazy? Wow. Okay, so this is going to be really simple to set up. As you can see, it has some screws on here which are going to sort of screw in as and when required. That's also going to go on there, and of course it connects to the door via a sticky. So this is VHB, which I'm, oh no, 3M. I was going to say it's their equivalent of 3M, but no, it is 3M, VHB. Don't know what VHB is, but that's how you install it. Of course, you know, I'm going to need to get the app installed and go through the process of actually getting this on the door to actually properly review it. But I wanted to give you guys my first impressions in terms of how it feels, how it looks, what the unboxing experience is like. And I'm glad I did, because, you know, this is a very smart and sleek unboxing experience for the Nuki Smart Lock Pro here. And I'm really impressed at how simple the whole thing is. I suppose when you think about something that's quite revolutionary, which I see this sort of technology as quite revolutionary, is that you often see it in terms of early adoption as very sort of complicated and difficult to set up and millions of little bits and it all has to work. That's it, you know, take out the Allen key, which I'm sure you might have already, maybe not the specific size, but that's your smart lock. So very excited to get this on the door. Very excited to get it all tested out. Of course, the review video will be out, so if it hasn't popped up in your recommended yet, then of course make sure to click on it. It'll be somewhere in the screen or in the card at some point in this video. So make sure to check that out. If you'd like to pick one of these up for yourself, and check out the Amazon affiliate link, which is down in the description. If you do buy anything through that link, it does help support the channel as well. So we do really appreciate anything that you buy through that link, whether it be the Nuki Smart Lock or anything else. Of course, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our future unboxings or reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.